All right, yins, guys. Here we have Moon Golf Club, hole 18, par 4. Great views, end of the day. Nice little after work round. Ran into my buddy Steve and the wife Mad Dog. Huge. They let me crash date night. Steve with an absolute missile. Absolute missile. My second shot. Oh, yeah. Oh, yes.
I'm burned.
What a shot.
Heyo!
I mean, what a shot.
What a
Let's go. Steve hit on the green, rolled past the pin. He outdrove the green on this hole with the greatest shot ever. His eagle look. Oh, man. Just missed the eagle. It broke a little bit at the end. Steve with a huge bird. Let's go, dude. Bird shirt equals bird. All right. Got a bird look. Let's go. Bird shirts. Bird shirts equal birdies. Let's go. Love it. Huge.